Hi, my name is Alicia. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today, I will be trying on some Yes Style pieces. And thank you so much, Yes Style, for sending me these pieces. And I'm so excited to try them out. And I'm actually already wearing one of them. This top is very beachy and it's giving a very earthy vibe. And I love this. I'm gonna show more details later. But before we move on to this, and also for the rest of the outfits, check out Yes Style because they have a lot of sales going on. And you can use my code AliceRoma1 to save even more off of your Yes Style purchase. So I hope you guys are excited for this video just as much as I am because I will be sharing some year-end outfit inspiration featuring Yes Style. So once again, this is the first top. I really love this and this can actually be changed because you can take off the tie here and you can wear it like this, but I really like it this way because I don't need to wear a necklace. Like it already adds an extra oomph to the outfit. I just like crisscross designs. I think they're very pretty and very flattering. And I wore my pearl earrings once again. I love them. And I wore some gold bangles, kind of minimal still, but still enough to elevate the outfit a little bit more. And I wore my maxi skirt. This is not from Yes Style, but they have a similar option on their site. They actually have sent me a skirt here and you can pair it with that, but this one is a little bit more for like ballet core and it's a bit puffy, which is not the vibe that I'm going for a beachy outfit. I want it to be flowy. So I just love that this top has some flowers on it, some leaves, and my mirror is there, so that's why I'm looking over here. But yeah, I think it's very pretty. There's like a black fabric under here, under the mesh, so it's not see-through. I love the back. It's very pretty. And what I love most about this is honestly just the vibe that it gives because it just gives like such a fairy energy. I don't know, but I would wear this for a beach year end party because it is very comfy. Plus, it's cute. You can style it in so many different ways, honestly. If you don't want to wear this for the beach, I would suggest to pair it with cargo pants if you're just like planning for a casual hangout. And I love the colors. I think it works well with my skin tone and also with gold. So this is the next top that I got. Once again, still going for that beachy vibe. So this is just another option. Let's say you're saying like, okay, making up scenarios, but this is how I'm imagining it. Like that you could wear that for the first day, the top that I wore previously, and then this one for the second day. Like it's just so cute and it's so easy to style with jeans, with like cargo skirts. I don't know, I'm mentioning cargo a lot, but I just think that cargo goes well with orange, like khaki cargos and also green cargos. That's what I'm imagining. It has a rubber thingy here that it won't just pull down, as you can see. I'm not really tugging on it very hard. Avoid that issue of just having your tube top like go down because I know that's a problem for a lot of people. You consider going to the beach and you're partying. Obviously, it's gonna be hard to wear a tube top, so yeah, I just love this. This is very thoughtful. And I love the designs with the flower and also with the blue butterflies. It just adds to the color palette. It contrasts with the orange, which I really love. So that's why I love this top a lot. And I actually have a necklace that I got from Boracay, which goes well with this. Hold on, let me get it. Okay, so this is the necklace. Is actually made out of shells. I think I got this for around 150 pesos, which roughly is about 300, which roughly is about $3. I almost said 300. And I love this. I love the way it looks. So let's move on to the next outfit. So this is the next top. This comes with this like string that matches the fabric and a cute little flower. So this is how it looks. This is how I would attach it. I think it's so pretty and I love it with my hair down. And this top actually also has rubber here to prevent slipping. I wore this with my skirt, which I actually wore in my previous Yes Style video. And I wore it with black stockings that I also got from Yes Style, but I got it in black because I just thought it was very pretty for darker aesthetics and darker outfits. So I'm excited to continue wearing these. And they're actually very good quality despite the fact that I am rushing to try everything on. It didn't rip at all. But yeah, so it's a good quality stocking, but you can actually move this over here, here, or here. And yeah, I really love this top and I'm so excited to wear this. I can wear it for the year end and also even for Christmas. I can imagine it for a party. And I don't know how else to say it, but it's giving a very gothic vibe. And I love the energy that it gives me when I wear it. And to give you another idea, you could also wrap this around kind of like this, like with my first top. And there's so many ways that you can elevate this. Oh, and you can definitely like put it around your arms and then put the flower. That would be so pretty. And I might do that in the future. So follow my Instagram if you would like to see that because I'm more active on there. So this is the next top and this is not your basic white long sleeve. The back is so cute. And I don't know if this is like Ryuk from Death Note, but yeah, I really love the way it looks. And yeah, I really like this. It's like a back tattoo on a shirt. So if you're looking for a casual top for a friend's hangout or something for the year end, definitely get this top. So this is what I was referring to if you were planning to lean on the more casual side but still elevate the outfit a bit more. So this is the last top and skirt that I got. I'm so happy with this. This is super pretty. I think it is adorable. The skirt is also very pretty and it has built-in shorts. I'll put a video on the screen here so you can see the full look of it. But with pearl earrings, like there are so many ways that you can style this top. I've actually been seeing this top around and I really love the way it looks. The thing is, here, it is sheer for an eyelet top. That's usually the case. But at the top here, it is thicker. But I am wearing dark undergarments, but I don't really mind it. But if you would like it to be more seamless, just wear a lighter undergarment or a nude top. But yeah, I really love this. I think it is so pretty and so feminine. Like it just is screaming soft girl. And with this ballet core inspired skirt, it is so nice. I actually also got two more stockings from Yes Style, which would go well with this outfit. So I'll just put it on the screen so you can see. But overall, I really like this. It's also very secure. It's just very dainty and very feminine. And if you're planning to go out on a brunch, this would be good. You could go to the beach in this. You could go to a party in this. Like, I just feel like it fits for any occasion. It's definitely dollette, coquette, whatever you want to call it. But it's just a very feminine top, period. Have the black detail going on. And yeah, that's about it. Finally, I did also get the same concealer from them. And this is in the shade 1.75. This is actually the new packaging. I got this because I already have the same concealer. I've been using it for months. Here's proof. And I still have it. Like, imagine I had this for months already and I still have a ton of product because you just need a small amount to use it. So it's definitely my favorite concealer ever because I've been using it since February, I think. So around the start of the year, and I am still using it and I love it. And you guys know I did have a breakout around the summer. So this has been a consistent product that I have been using that has helped me with my skin because it has SPF, I'm pretty sure. And yeah, I just love that it's skincare and makeup in one. And that's why I got it in a different shade because my previous shades, I have 1.5 and 02. So this one is 1.75. I haven't tried it yet, but let me know if you want to see a shorts video of my updated makeup routine. Thank you so much again, Yes Style, for sponsoring today's video and for sending me all of these pieces. I am so happy with everything that I got. And let me know which one was your favorite in the comment section down below. And if you have any questions at all, comment down below and I'll be happy to respond to you guys. Follow my Instagram and my other social media platforms if you would like to see how I would style them. It's Alice Roma for all of my socials. And once again, my Yes Style code so you guys can save more. It's Alice Roma 1. So if you guys like anything from today's video, definitely check out Yes Style because they have a lot of sales ongoing. And even when they don't have sales, the prices are very affordable. And for the quality that you're getting, it's absolutely worth it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!